Troubleshooting your Vizio TV, unresponsive buttons.
Hello there. Today we're going to address a common problem that can happen with your Vizio TV, the buttons on your remote or the TV itself not responding. Let's work through some troubleshooting steps to get your TV back in working order.
Checking the TV and remote batteries.
First things first, let's make sure your TV and remote have the necessary power. Check that your TV is properly plugged in and there is power to the outlet. Try plugging something else into the same outlet to confirm it's working. Check the batteries in your remote. Replace them if needed. Sometimes, weak batteries can cause the remote to malfunction.
Ensuring the remote is functioning.
Sometimes, the problem might be with the remote itself. Try using the buttons on the TV instead of the remote. If they work, this indicates an issue with the remote. Use a digital camera or your smartphone camera to check if the remote is working. Point the remote's IR emitter at the camera and press a button. You should see a light in the camera preview if the remote is functioning correctly.
Performing a power cycle.
If the issue persists, let's perform a power cycle. Unplug your TV from the power outlet, wait for about a minute and then plug it back in. This simple step can resolve many common issues, including unresponsive buttons.
Factory reset.
If all else fails, it might be time to do a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, navigate to the TV's menu. If you can, go to Settings, System, Reset and Admin, Reset TV to Factory Settings. Please note that a factory reset will delete all your personalized settings, including any saved channels and network connections. We hope this video has been helpful in troubleshooting your Vizio TV. Remember, if the issue continues, you might need to reach out to Vizio's customer support or a professional repair service. Enjoy your viewing experience and thank you for watching.